guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 brand new quick and easy Dollar Tree Valentine's DIYs. Also, you guys, I do want to thank Top Cashback for sponsoring today's video. If you guys have never heard of Top Cashback, you are definitely missing out. TopCashback.com is literally the easiest way to make some money while shopping online. It is super easy to sign up through TopCashback.com. It is also free. They have over 4,000 retailers to shop. I really like shopping on Michael's, Dollar Tree, eBay is really great, and they also have really great deals when you shop on the Michael Kors website. So right now you can get 4% cash back just for shopping on the Dollar Tree. And just remember, shipping is kind of pricey, but if you do ship to store, it is absolutely free. And a lot of Dollar Trees have gone up in price to $1.25, but it is still $1 on the website. Right now, they're having Easter craft supplies, which I am so excited about starting Easter DIYs. So you can see that some items are a higher quantity, so you'd have to purchase 24 or more to actually receive your order. But on the left-hand corner on the menu screen, there is a smaller quantities category, so you can get items from like 4 to 6 items instead of the 20, 24, 36. Also, what I really love about TopCashback.com is there is no minimum payout, so you can make a few dollars and cash out. You can do gift cards or PayPal or even your checking account. Also, they do have a browser extension on their homepage at the features at the top, so it is only one click away to shop on TopCashback.com with their browser extension. When you sign up with Top Cashback right now, they are giving you $10 cash back when you spend $25 on top of the cash back you would already be receiving. But if you guys want to sign up, my link is in the description box below. Alright, so for this first project, I'll be using this wooden mason jar. I did end up sanding it down, and I'm just using the Waverly chalk paint in white to paint the entire thing. I did end up painting the front and the back, just in case anybody decides to check the back side. I'm just using this little chalkboard tag from Dollar Tree and gluing it right to the center. And then I'm going to be wrapping some of this baker's twine around. This is also from Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to be making a little bow as well to cover up that little hole in the heart. And then this is some like really fun like pearly burlap, or no, this isn't burlap. What is this called? Pearly garland. And I'm just adding that to the top just to give this a little bit of something, but I wanted to make this quick and easy and cute. This next DIY, I'm going to be using this wood hanging decor is what it's called. I think it's just a really long heart. These are always in the crafter square every time I go to the Dollar Tree. And I'm just using the red chalk paint. I think it's crimson, I want to say. I've had it since Christmas and I decided it will be perfect for Valentine's. So once this is painted, I'm just going to be adding some beads and some stickers. This sticker pack came from Dollar Tree and it says love in the center, and then I just had some beads off Amazon and Hobby Lobby. I have them all mixed in a bag, but I'm going to be just making a fun little garland and then using some Waverly chalk paint in white with a little bit of water, and I'm just going to kind of smearing this on just to give this a little bit of dimension, a little bit of extra, because I thought just it being plain red, just, I don't know, it just wasn't having it, so I just wanted to add a little bit of extra, and that is all I did for this one.
I've been feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go, spend my coin for sure.
Next one, I'm using a wooden house, and I sanded this one down as well, and I use the red chalk paint once again. I think I only used 2 colors of paint. I'm either using the Waverly in crimson or the Waverly in white, so I'm probably not going to tell you every single time what paint it is because you're already going to know. So just doing the front and the back sides of this one as well. Like I said, just in case anyone wants to peek around the corner and look on the back side, it is covered. I also got these like little wood die cutouts from Dollar Tree, and I just painted it white, glued it to the center, and then I just added some ribbon to the bottom of this. This ribbon is also from Dollar Tree. I think actually everything I used except the beads in this whole video it's from Dollar Tree. I don't know what else to do to this house. This kind of looks plain, but at the same time, some stuff that I put in my tier trays, I like a little plain. So there's that. these little wood stickers, or these wood house stickers. They're not even wood. What am I saying? These little mirror stickers. I realized I could see myself in it, and I was laughing with the kids because we were just cracking up. This heart came from Dollar General, and all I did was stick the house on. That is it. Also, if you buy these stickers, know that there's a film on them. I got told many times that I didn't take the film off in my recent DIYs. This one is a chalkboard from the Dollar Tree. Of course, it comes with chalk on the back, and you know what? I just left that chalk on the back. I'm using a Chalkateur silk transfer. I love using Chalkateur. I'm going to be using the red chalk paste and just making a really cute piece. I'm going to be adding all these to a tier tray, so stay tuned for a tier tray decorating with me video. I love doing those as well. This actually did not fit in my tier tray. Could have cut the legs off possibly, but it's actually just sitting in my kitchen window, and I think it looks cute the way it is.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip.
Okay, so I'm obsessed with these little galvanized hearts or stars. I did a few of these DIYs for Christmas time, and I had these little foam hearts left over from a roses or like bouquets or floral arrangements, whatever you want to call them, from Dollar Tree, and I saved them because you just never know what you're going to use. So I usually try to save everything until after the season is over, and then I would probably pitch these if I didn't use them. And then I'm just going to add some greenery in between all the cracks of the hearts, and this is actually one of my favorite DIYs of this video. I think it is just really cute. I think it's really fun and simple. But I think the greenery just makes it look a little bit better than if it was just full of hearts. And then I cut it down, of course, because these greenery pieces were out of control.
I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars.
Okay, so these wooden rolling pins are not from Dollar Tree, but I got a huge package of them from Amazon. I think they were $10 for like 30 or 40 of them, so they're like under $1 a piece. And I just painted 2 of them red, 1 of them white, and then added these rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree. These bows were also off Amazon, and they come in a huge giant pack for really inexpensive. And this is what these look like. I didn't paint the handles, and I love these.
I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me.
Right, so I'm using these 3-pack of metal buckets. You guys really want to pay attention to this because this DIY is probably the hardest one I've ever made in my life. Using these foam or these little felt stickers, I'm just going to be adding them to the center of the buckets. I know, I was just kidding. It really wasn't hard. This was just like the easiest thing ever. I think these are so cute. Added some greenery I had, and that's it for this DIY.
Down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars.
All right, using some of these wooden letters, spelling out love, and this little pencil holder wooden box, painting this red Waverly chalk paint, of course. You know, I think we've got that by now, Kristen. I don't need to say it a million times. And I'm just painting all sides. I did not paint the inside because I really didn't think it was necessary if I add like florals or greenery or something to it. I actually just added greenery because I always try to add some sort of greenery when I do my tier trays. And then I'm just painting the love white because I'm actually going to be gluing these little wooden letters to my pencil holder. And I think this turned out so cute. I really like this stacked, or like the, I guess like the stacked or the square love letters when the L is on top of the V, etc., etc. I think this looks so cute. Added greenery. That is it for this one.
I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
For this one, I'm using a sign from Dollar Tree, and I really like these wooden, the little wooden hangers that are on these signs. I think they're really cute, and I just added a galvanized heart. It came in a 3-pack and some scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. That is it. This is all I did for this sign, and I think this turned out better than ever and so easy. So I'm using another chalkboard along with another Chalkateur stencil. Now I kind of left in some of my mess ups on this one because it does happen to the best of us. I ended up being lazy and keeping it as is, but when you use Chalkateur, you can really just take a wet rag and wipe this off and you could redo it. I chose not to redo it, even though it kind of bled through a little bit. I added too much paste, and then I'm dropping ribbon on it and then smearing it just a little bit more. But you know, I think that it is okay. I kind of put it towards the back of my tier tray. You guys will see that if you guys watch my next video. But I just added a red ribbon to the top. I love peeling this away to see the reveal, and it really wasn't that bad until I decided to accidentally drop cut ribbon on here. So like I said, I left it there, tried to peel it off with some scissors. It didn't work out in my favor. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed these DIYs. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, consider sticking around and subscribing. Also, don't forget to check out topcashback.com. Like I said, you will get $10 cash back when you spend your first $25 signing up with Top Cash Back. But you guys, that is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
I wanna drive a faster car, lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette.